When the national anthem enters your being, as a person who loves their country, it releases adrenaline. And this adrenaline propels you to surpass yourself, to accomplish extraordinary things, to exceed your capabilities, to never surrender. This is what motivates fighters and volunteers for defense of the fatherland. I must admit that I am extremely delighted to welcome you. I would have preferred to do it the day following your arrival. I was highly concentrated on an operation that necessitated my full attention to the events taking place in the field on that particular day. So I desired for it to be this Monday morning, at the start of this week, because it is a very extraordinary and remarkable day that holds great significance for me. Exceptional in the sense that you are volunteers for the defense of the fatherland. You went to fight. And I confess that I couldn't follow all of the matches. The start might have been challenging. However, I still watched the ultimate match. And there are aspects that have captured my attention. What captured my attention, when we performed the national anthem, I experienced something else within you. With clenched fists, determined faces, and hearts of steel, I knew you would, at all costs, emerge as the winner of this trophy. As the anthem played, I felt its resonance echoing within you. And that is all. That is precisely what we require to meet our needs and objectives. Nothing more and nothing less. When the national anthem enters your being, as a person who loves their country, it releases adrenaline. And this adrenaline propels you to surpass yourself, to accomplish extraordinary things, to exceed your capabilities, to never surrender. This is what motivates fighters and volunteers for defense of the fatherland, and it has driven you as well. When the national anthem enters your being, adrenaline is released and fear dissipates. It is in this instant that the phrase, "the homeland or death," becomes fully comprehensible. And that is what you demonstrated to us throughout this tournament. You never gave up, you never surrendered. And that's what is asked. It's the example that you give to your younger brothers and your older brothers, to the whole football generation that has followed you. That's what is asked, that people can go beyond their capabilities. May they let the anthem penetrate them and understand that the battle they are fighting is to raise the flag of Burkina Faso very high. And you achieved it. Congratulations. Congratulations once more, and congratulations once more. We were very pleased, and all those who followed you. And as I said from the front, people are attached to football. All your matches, they are followed. Even if it's through SMS, the soldiers follow them. And when you win the cup, it is a relief. Because we, as supporters, also experience a range of emotions when the competitions take place and unfold before our eyes. And when you win, a lot of adrenaline is secreted. It makes us proud. It also pushes us to surpass ourselves. When sleepy and hear good news, no longer feel sleepy. Understand body has reacted to good news. This is what have given to Burkina Faso. And I strongly urge you to continue this trend. You are highly qualified for CAN and for the World Cup, God willing, and if circumstances permit. There are many things to do. There are challenges awaiting you. Don't focus on your age. Don't just see that ambition may not be as high as you imagine, but you must aim very far. Because you are capable. You are more than capable. Burkina Faso is capable, and he has kids like you. You're capable. I was at the comet level, if I'm not wrong. In the morning, you move. Is that so? Was that you? By the way, I was telling the minister to change your card, okay? And I sat on the bench for a few minutes because I also arrived there to engage in some physical activities. I offered a brief prayer for you, and I had the belief that you would accomplish something remarkable during this year. And thank God it worked out. And I am extremely happy for you, really happy. And I hope that you will maintain the flame's existence and that you can be the carrier of the flag of Burkina Faso all over the world in the football match of tomorrow. In any case, be proud of it. They have time off, do they not? Enjoy it. Above all else, savor it with a considerable amount of caution, because we are in need of your presence. Always keep this in mind. The entire nation needs you. The whole nation relies on you. Despite all the challenges we face, if we can still finance football, continue our activities, it's because the people love it and you have shown up. They can only continue to support you. And we will do everything we can to put you in the right conditions. Certainly it's difficult, but we will do our best. Be proud once again. You have made the Burkinabe people proud. We are all proud. And keep the torch high as you have placed it. And continue to raise high the flag of Burkina Faso. Good luck to all the staff. Congratulations to you for everything you have been able to do during this competition. Congratulations and good luck, and may God be with all of you. Congratulations to all the technicians of the Ministry and the Federation. Thank you very much to everyone.